Global warming isn't a prediction, it is happening. That is a direct quote from James Hansen, a professor at Columbia University. Most of you already know what climate change is and its detrimental effects on the planet. Beginning in the early 19th century, global warming has affected the world. Temperatures are rising, and the Earth is heating up faster than it ever has in history. Global warming is the gradual increase of temperatures of the planet, and global warming and climate change occur when carbon dioxide, greenhouse gases, and other pollutants are trapped in the ozone layer. The pollutants that are trapped absorb sunlight, and the heat and radiation cause the temperature to rise in abnormal ways. Global warming is caused by two main categories: natural causes and human events. The most common example of natural causes are the greenhouse gases, such as methane, carbon dioxide, and sulfur being trapped in the ozone layer. Another natural cause is the rotation of the Earth causes the sun to get closer to the planet, and the temperature rises abnormally. Human influence is the most common way that temperatures rise. Examples of human influence include fossil fuels in factories and bulk production, transportation methods such as cars and their release of carbon dioxide from the exhaust, mining because methane is released and trapped in the ozone layer, and deforestation, the clear cutting of trees for the use of wood, so the carbon dioxide is released and trapped in the ozone layer because there are not enough trees to absorb that carbon dioxide. Global warming has many effects on the environment. The most common effect is the rise of temperature. The rise in temperature causes the days to be hotter, even in the winter months. Hotter days cause dryness of the earth, the oceans to warm and acidify, and the sea levels to rise. Dryness of the earth can cause natural disasters such as drought, cyclones, and forest fires. Droughts may cause economic hardship and in some cases, potentially the loss of life if the person were to occur with the heat stroke. Forest fires affect wildlife and nature. The fires contribute to the rising temperatures of the earth. The fire and ashes destroy nutrients in wildlife, kill animals, and may eventually lead to flooding and landslides, other natural disasters. Cyclones cause sea levels to rise, and the tidal waves may cause humans and animals to drown, and flooding may occur in coastal cities. The polar ice caps are melting and causes sea levels to rise. This is due to the high heat of the earth. Rising sea levels are a threat to wildlife and humans as well. The population of wildlife depends on ice caps, and their survival will greatly decrease with the melting of the ice caps. Coastal communities will also suffer because the rising sea levels eventually flood their towns. All in all, the increase of temperatures of the planet may lead to many unfortunate events, and in some cases, that includes death. Climate change is a harsh reality that everyone has to face. It is important to understand climate change and its detrimental effects because our livelihood and survival depends on it. Thank you.